Alright, so here we have the Lightdow 4000 camera that I got off Amazon for it's about $42. 1.5-inch LCD screen. So this is a pretty much a cheap GoPro replica. Lightdow 4000. Alright, it records in 1080p full HD. It comes with all these accessories here. And let's look at some of the specs. You can see it has a 12 megapixel image sensor, 1.5-inch LCD screen. The resolution is 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. It records 720 at 60 frames per second. What else is waterproof? Has a waterproof case, and the battery is a 900 milliamp hour battery. And recording at 1080p, it can record for 70 minutes. That's pretty good. And it can also be used for a car's dash cam. Very interesting. So let us open up the package here and see what we have. So this is the camera that I intend to use for most of my my videos going forward. So far I've been using the Samsung MV800, or is it MV8000? I'm not quite sure. But what I could do now is sell that camera and behold, awesome. Alright, so it's already in the waterproof case. Let's see, to get it off, not quite sure how to do it. Oh, that's it. Okay. Oh, so it's very tiny. Lightdow. Okay. Alright, the battery is already inserted. Feels pretty sturdy. There's a small screen there. Great. Let's look at some of the accessories. Okay, got helmet mounts. This is the charging brick. What else do we have? I suck at unboxing videos, but bear with me. Oh, great! We have an extra battery. All right, so I'll be taking a trip this weekend, so I can make some videos. Oh my gosh, there's so much accessories here, so many. Oh, this is so cool. So hey, I mean, you have over $40 worth of accessories here already. Tie straps, cleaning cloth, and the manual. Okay. Okay. Alright, looks good, looks good. Alright, great. Alright, so now I'm going to record a sample video so you can see what it's like for the audio and the video with and without the waterproof case. Alright. Okay, so this is just the video panorama without the case. It's a sunny day, a few clouds in the sky. It's pretty clear. This is the quality that you would get at 1080p. Alright, so this is the quality that you would get at 1080p with the waterproof casing on. Same video panorama.